In this video, we look at this amazing shipping container house in Port Sorrel, Tasmania. This house is listed and is under an offer for $549,000. This house is built using two 40-foot shipping containers placed side by side and set apart, with the midsection of the house constructed out of a stick build and elevated to create some clear story lighting and introduce a bit of dynamism to the floor plan. That is the general neighborhood of the property as indicated there, with a view of the greenery and the water in the far end. When you get inside the house, there is some open plan living. There is a lounge, there is a kitchen and a dining, and there is a small cloakroom on the far end. The midsection of the house is elevated above the shipping containers with the clear story lighting to enhance daylighting and cross ventilation through the stack effect. This is an aerial view of the property showing this is a corner plot and the size is not that big, but is spacious enough to accommodate all the essentials for a family setup. This is another view of the house from the driveway, showing the two shipping containers, the elevated midsection and the covered entrance porch. There's an aerial view of the same showing the two containers and the midsection with an elevated roof accommodating solar panels which are used to power the house. That is the side view of the house showing an outdoor space accessed directly from the living room, ideal for outdoor dining. This is a closer view of the dining with an arrangement that can accommodate 4 people, ideal also for additional seating that can accommodate up to 6. There is a kitchen counter and a beautiful kitchen setup with matte black cabinetry plus stainless steel appliances. This is another view of the same arrangement, the dining area and the kitchen setup. The view of the outdoor dining space accessed directly from the living room. There's a view of the lounge. You'll notice the good daylighting provided by the adequate number of windows in almost every elevation, and the interior of the house is painted white to create that feel of openness, airiness and spaciousness. It's a view of the bathroom showing the glass shower cubicle. There's a beautiful bathtub and there's also a sizable high-level window for cross ventilation and daylighting. This is one of the bedrooms in the house with a high-level horizontal glass window. This bedside lighting but as an elevated height to accommodate the bed owing to the constricting dimensions of the shipping container. This is a view of the master bedroom. You will notice the size of the bedroom is big enough to accommodate a closet space, a king-size bed, and it is adequately ventilated and with maximum daylighting provided by the adequate size and number of glass windows. I love the wall-mounted bedside lamps and the overhead ceiling lamp. This is a view of the office space in the house, ideal to accommodate a third bedroom, which can be a good size for a children's bedroom with bunk beds to make maximum use of this container space. It's a view of another bathroom in the house. So what do you like about this amazing shipping container home? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase the best of shipping container architecture from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.